Page 664, number 23. Find the first 6 partial sums and determine if the sums have a finite limit. If so, we're to write convergent. Otherwise, we will write divergent. So for our first series, the first 6 partial sums will look like this. So the first one will be just the first term, 0.3. Then we add the first 2 terms together, and we'll get 0.33. Then we'll add to that the next term, which will give us 0.333. And then we'll add the 4th term that's shown, and we get 0.3333. And then I can add the next term, 33333. And then finally, the 6th term will be 33333. Need a few more 3's there. 3, 3. So there are my first 6 partial sums. Now, we have to determine whether it's convergent or not. And what hopefully you notice is that we have repeating 3's, which is something like 1/3. So it's converging to a specific number. So we'll say it converges. Now for the second one, our first 6 partial sums, we have 1 for the first one. When we add the next 2 together, we get -1. And then we add to that 3, so we get 2. Then we add to that -4, so we get -2. And then we're going to add the 5, which will give us 3. And then finally subtract the 6, which gives us -3. Now while there is a pattern, we're bouncing back and forth between positive and negative numbers, which are getting either a larger positive or a smaller negative number. So they're not really converging to any one specific number. So we would say that this series, the partial sums, diverge.